Welcome to SalesATM tutorial. In this tutorial, we're going to learn how to enter purchases. To enter purchases, click on purchases on the top menu bar and then click on purchases and then wait for the purchases page to be loaded. Now select the warehouse that is going to receive these goods bought. So you select warehouse name, then you select the vendor who is supplying you the product or the supplier that you are buying from. So you select the supplier. Then you enter the invoice number, the invoice on the purchases sheet that you have. If not, the system itself will generate an invoice number for you. So you can leave that alone. And then you select the invoice date, the date on the invoice that you have at hand. And then you select the payment due date of the purchases that you have made. If not, the system will create its own due date for you. If that is done, then you're going to enter the line items on the purchases form that you have or the invoice that you have. So now let's do that. Now we add an item. Then you select the product name, and you should know that this product has to be entered already. If you don't have the product entered, there's a way to add a product. Let me quickly show you that one. So if the product is not in the product drop list, you can now add a new product here. And there's some information there. So to avoid adding existing product name with slightly different name, click on select product name and then select the existing name. So sometimes you want to add a product, but you might make a mistake to enter the same product that is already entered in the system with a slightly different name. So you will end up having double names in the system. To avoid that, you can select product name. Then there will be a drop up for you to pick the name of the product. And then you can go through, you enter the supplier name, choose the supplier. You can choose multiple suppliers as well, because maybe the product is not only supplied by one supplier. Then you choose the unit of measure that this product that you are setting up is in. Then you choose the reorder quantity. You can enter 0 if you are not sure of the reorder quantity. Then you choose the selling price. You can have different selling prices, but the default selling price or selling price category is this default is a default selling price category in the system. Then you enter the credit price of this product and the cash price of this product. Then after that, you save it. Then this product will be added to the list of products in the system. So if that is done, you can come back here and enter the product. So you can pick the product. So this is sample product with the unit of measure pieces. I just said that. So then you enter the expiry date of the product, because this is supposed to be on the purchases form or the invoice that you have at hand. Then the cost price that you have there. If it is not the first time that you're entering the product, you can see the cost price that is in the system already. It gives you a guide there. So this is the current cost price for this product. So maybe the new cost price is 12. Then you continue. If there's a discount, this discount is in currency. It's not in percentages. So maybe you have one of the currency. Let's use Ghana cedis because this demo is made for a Ghanaian company. So one Ghana cedis as a discount. Then the batch number of the product you are entering. You enter the batch number, and then you have the quantity that you are buying. So let's say 100 of that. Then we have the If you want to change, one of the advantages of this purchase is that on this purchase page, you can do anything that you want to do in relation to the product that you are entering. One of these is updating the current selling price. So on this page again, you will see the current selling price of this product here. You have it here. So maybe you want to change it. So you say update, and maybe you're updating it with a percentage. So you're increasing it with a percentage. You have a percentage there. And what percentage? There are two ways to do this percentage. Either if it calculates the percentage, you don't want any decimals, because definitely some percentages there will be some decimals. So you don't want the decimals. You want it to be rounded up. Or if you need just two decimal places to be rounded up to two decimal places, you choose that. Then you select the price. This is a price category. The price scheme category. As I said, this is the default price scheme category in the system. You can have multiple price scheme category. We will tackle that in another tutorial. Then you enter the percentage of the update. So maybe now you are updating it, the price by 4%, the credit price, and the cash price by 2%. And maybe this product that you are receiving is in bulk. So you want to break some of these products into pieces, into smaller units in your warehouse. So that comes in with the break bulk here. So if you want to break bulk, and if you have break bulk before, and there's this settings has been set up, it will be in the system. So you have it now. So here it's telling you that in this product, it has more than one smaller unit. That's why there's a drop down. So you choose the smaller unit. So maybe you want to break it down into strip. So now it's telling you that since you have already set it up, if you want to update these settings, there's another tutorial that we will handle that. So here you will see that it's saying that the quantity of strips in one piece, because the bigger bulk is piece and the smaller unit is strip. So it's now giving you an idea of the conversion here. So 160 strips is in one piece. So now that I'm entering 100 of the piece and want to break maybe 10 of the big piece into smaller strips, it's going to be 60 times 10. So I'm going to get 600 strips out of this. So that is the conversion. That is what it will be done. Then if that is done, we will click on add. So we add it here, and then you will see it here. In here, we have it here. So we have this line item added. You can add on and on and on. And if you have added all the line items on the invoice that you have received, then you can click on save. If you made a mistake, the entire line, you can cancel it, or you can edit this line. So we can just edit this line. We click on it again, and we will have all the information that we've just entered, and we can make the changes. So maybe the quantity or the prices here, we want to change it to 5 and 3. So maybe we made a mistake with that and we want to change it 5 and 3. Go to add, and we add. So we can see that if we come here and we drop it down, we can see the price has been changed from 5 and 3. If it's only the quantity that you want to change, you can quickly change it here. So maybe we can change it to 200 here. That one you can. But apart from the quantity, maybe you want to change the expiry date. Maybe you made a mistake entering the expiry date. So now we change to a new expiry date. We go there and we add, click on add, and then we add it. Then we can go and check with the new expiry date. So now this is the new expiry date. If everything is good, you click on save to save your purchases, and this 200 quantity with this badge number and expiry date and everything will be added to the main warehouse. So we click on save. Then we save it to tell you the purchases was successfully saved. So this is how to enter purchases in Sales ATM. Thanks for watching.